So I'm a huge Spotify fan, and you probably are too because you clicked on this video. Now Spotify has some great features tucked away that you can use even without having a paid subscription. So I'm going to go over 5 of them in this video, but be sure to stick around until the end because I like saving the best for last. The first feature I want to talk about on my list is Crossfade. This is a fun feature that I use all the time, and it's really simple to use to keep your party or music listening pleasure going on with no dead air at all. All you got to simply do is go into the settings and then into playback. You want to adjust the crossfade slider to wherever you wish. Now be sure gapless playback is toggled on and auto mix is on as well. This just simply allows smooth transitions between songs in a playlist. It'll be like your own club where the music just doesn't stop and in turn the dancing doesn't stop, right? Moving on to the next feature is car view mode. And all you got to simply do is go into your settings and then toggle car view on. This will automatically turn on the car view mode when Spotify connects to your car via Bluetooth or you plug it in. This basically makes the Spotify layout much easier to navigate while in the car. And as you can see, the left side is normal mode, what it would look like, and then the right side is when you have car view mode turned on. Now moving on to feature number 3, it's called Canvases. This is a really cool little feature that if you turn it on, it'll play short looping visuals on tracks instead of just showing the album cover. Check it out. As you can see here, the left side is normal mode and the right side is Canvases turned on. All you gotta simply do is go into your settings and then click on playback, scroll all the way to the bottom and make sure Canvases is turned on. It's just a cool little feature that I really enjoy when I'm playing my music, and especially if I want to send it to my TV while I have friends over and everything. And I'm moving on to feature number 4, liked songs playlist. Have you ever come across a song that you absolutely love but don't have the time to add it to a playlist in that exact moment? Well, there's a thing called liked song playlist. When you come across a song, you simply press on the heart, then go into your library and select like songs. Here you'll see all of your like songs thrown into a playlist right on the go. And in this case, you can see the last 2 I added. And if you want to remove those songs or any songs from that list, all you got to do is simply press the heart again while you're in that playlist and then select remove, and it'll remove all those songs that you selected. And now number 5 on the list is my favorite. As I said in the beginning, I like to save the best for last. If you want to listen to your favorite songs for free, this is how you do it. The way to do it is simple. You go in and search for a bunch of your favorite songs. I would say at least 10 to 15 songs minimum. You want to add each song to a new playlist, as you can see here. Now, once you have the playlist completed, simply press the shuffle button so that it'll just shuffle through that playlist of songs, and Spotify will only play those songs within the playlist. It's just an easier way to play what you want to hear since you're limited to skips and you can't search and play on demand with a free account. Do me a favor real quick and let me know in the comments below which feature is your favorite and if there's any that I didn't mention. And watch this playlist next for more free streaming app videos. Hit that like and subscribe button while you're at it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.